Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how easy it is to charge these earphones. First, put them into the charging case. When your case is charged, they will charge automatically when you put them in. To charge the case, take the lightning cable from the box. Plug it into your charger brick, then connect the cable to the lightning port on the case. The indicator will show you it's charging. When it's red, it's still charging. When it turns green, the case is fully charged. Then just disconnect the cable and use your AirPods. It's very simple, but if you didn't know, I hope this helped. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.